Hello, my fellow comic book collectors. This is going to be another unboxing. I'm buying way too much stuff, I think. But I'm trying to buy like cooler things that I can find that, kind of fit my collection. I really am trying to buy stuff that makes sense. Hopefully, these two packages, one is from France. It should be interesting. Maybe see my address there. But okay, so I'm just going to open it up, show you what's inside. Both actually came from far away. The other one's from, I believe, from England. So it's kind of weird. These arrive quicker than the stuff that's local, which is kind of always funny. I don't know why that is. The postal system is a bit messed up right now. So I'm hoping things will return to normal soon. So, oh, this is this is from France. This is a controversial comic. I actually read the whole series just because I think it's funny. It's not the best series. It's like, if you hate men, read this. It is written by probably an ultra feminist. It's called Naughty Bits. Roberta Gregory wrote it. Just very, very sexualized, very anti-man. Like, basically she just uses men. She's kind of wretched looking. Just a very, I think her name's like Bitch or something like that. It's like just so messed up. But yeah, I thought I like these kind of controversial comics, even if they're in genres that I don't necessarily like myself. So I don't necessarily like feminism, modern feminism. I just think it's going the wrong direction. But I just think that, I think I really enjoy these kind of historical comics that, maybe kind of give you a sense of that time period. So this is one of those ones where it really gives you that sense of where the feminist movement had kind of gone. And I don't know, I kind of like these little historical things. This was $5. It's, not a big expensive comic, but just kind of interesting one. So that's Naughty Bits #1, first print actually too. So actually a pretty rare comic. Maybe a little bit undervalued considering what it is. But the next one is a bigger package, really well wrapped. Kudos to this person for really packaging it well. It is like, look how well, like it was in a bubble thing, and then it's like really well packaged. So hopefully it's something really awesome. Okay. Lots of cutting. Lots of cutting. Okay, so oh wow. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. This is the one that's really awesome. So first one, not so great comparatively to these ones. This was like such a steal. I couldn't believe the pricing on this. I was just like, wow. I almost felt guilty buying it. That's how awesome the pricing was. So I'll show you the first one, and you'll think, oh, it's really rough. Now, this is Sunny. It's the very last issue of Sunny. I think it's Sunny 14. But it is in really low grade. It's like a 2, probably. Now, on my comic shop, they had like a 0.5 or a 1. It was like a really low grade for about $500. Okay, so you can. This is about a 2. That one was about a 0.5 to 1 range. Okay, so and it was 500. So you'd think, oh, 2 must be like 1,000 or something crazy. The guy had it listed at 300, but best offer. I was like, oh, let's see if I can talk him down on the price of it, even though already it's at a steal price. So I talked him down to 200 for it. So 200 for this comic is a steal. It is totally a steal because it's just such a hard comic to find, and to find it in any condition is just really great. So this is probably a 2, a little rough. It's got some major spine issues going on there. It's got some pieces removed over here, but it's probably a 2. You know, and it's just a really great Al Feldstein cover. You know, kind of headlight cover. Just a really great, really rare comic. Really awesome to get. So I'm only missing 1 from the series. There's only 4 comics in the whole series, and I'm only missing number 12, I think. So yeah, so that's a really cool one. The other one that was way undervalued and had, again, same guy, had a best offer, was this one. This is 4-color number 15. And this is the first appearance of Tilly the Toiler. And it's just a really rare comic. I got it for, he had it listed for 100. I offered 80. It's probably worth 1,000. This is probably a 3, I would say. Or maybe, yeah, actually he has it labeled as a 3. So I was guessing, and just based on what I could see, maybe a 3.5. It has a little bit of spine issue here, but really great colors, and just really, really nice, sharp copy. Another really rare issue. This is early 4-color comics. Like, if you're, you know, a Dell 4-color comic collector like I am, you would know that this is a really rare comic, and just really great first appearance. One of the things that I like a lot of good girl art. I like a lot of women in comics. Okay, so one of my favorite characters is Wonder Woman, as you can see from the behind me. So what I've been really getting into lately is the whole idea of finding like female characters, like Katie Keene, Josie and the Pussycats, Sunny. And this is a Torchy is another one. So I'm trying to find all these kind of characters, these female golden age characters that are kind of under the radar and that I think are interesting, that have kind of cool stories. So this is one of them. Tilly, just a really kind of cool golden age character, kind of under the radar for most people. There are collectors for this kind of stuff. As I said, it is a valuable comic normally. The guy just had a really great deal on it. So I got the 2 comics. I paid $300, I believe, for the set with shipping. That's with shipping. It was just really great. Just a really great find. Really, I'm not sure if you can see how sharp it is. It is just so sharp. Just really happy to get it. So this was a small unboxing, just 3 comics, but just 3 kind of very interesting comics, really awesome comics. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I'm pretty excited about it. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure that you stay subscribed. I've been noticing that some people get unsubscribed, and they then realize later, then they get back subscribed. So just check to make sure you're subscribed, and click the notification bell, because I'm posting out every day. I always post at 11:45 Eastern, North American Eastern time, and I post out a lot of really cool golden age stuff. So if if you're interested in that kind of thing, check out my channel and get that notification. Thanks for watching.